Hey guys, it's Casey. Welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, thank you so much for stopping by. Today we're going to decorate a spread in my mini happy planner that is the dashboard layout. This is for the last week of March, the 25th through the 31st. I'm going to be using these really pretty blue florals with some greenery. These are called Fascination. They're available in my shop, and I'm also going to use the small sticker kit to use the boxes and headers. So let's get started. The first thing I want to do is put this really pretty corner floral up here in this top corner. I think it's going to be so pretty up here. So I am filming ahead of time. Today is the 18th. If you're wondering why I haven't filled in my planner yet, that is why. I wanted to get all these videos filmed and done for you guys. And then tomorrow I'll be back on filling orders. I am pretty much caught up on my orders for now. But yeah, so I wanted to take this time to get caught up while I could. So let's see, I think I kind of want to do something across the middle at the bottom. Just not sure what. I think we'll take this one and just kind of go like right there. And cut down the center. I never do this right. See if I can get it right today. Look at there, I did it. Okay. Cut these little pieces off, and then I'm going to take my hole punch, my little crocodile punch, and go ahead and punch these two holes so that I don't forget when I try to put it in my planner it doesn't fit. So let's get that. And this little dog I'm babysitting, it's 3:25 right now, and she knows that her dad gets home at 3:30, so she's getting antsy. This dog can tell time, and I always thought it was crazy because my grand doggy, the black lab Hank, he can tell time as well because he knows when it's 5:30 because I always feed them at 5:30 every day, and he knows that if it's 5:32, he starts pitching a fit because I haven't fed him yet. So yeah, little Miss Maddie is over here getting antsy because she knows it's time for her dad to get home. And she keeps looking at me like it's time to go, it's time to go. But he always calls me or texts me to let me know when he's home. And then when he gets home, she doesn't like, she could literally run across the yard and go straight home. She doesn't. She runs down my driveway and down the road to his house. Like, she takes the proper way home. She doesn't take the shortcut. And it's the funniest thing because she's a tiny little dog, and she pins her ears back and she tucks that tail and she just runs all the way home. It's the funniest thing I've ever seen. It's precious. She loves her daddy, that's for sure. And I can see her out the corner of my eye. I can't make eye contact because then she'll start whining. But I can see her out the corner of my eye. She's staring at me. She has her own little special bed on my bed, and she just got up because she knows it's 3:20. My clock appears fast, so it's 3:20, and she knows it. She knows that it's almost time for her daddy to be home, and she wants to make sure that I'm paying attention to what time it is. Okay, so now let's do some boxes. Actually, I'm not gonna do, yeah, I am. I was thinking I wasn't gonna do boxes, but I am. 1, 2, 3, no ma'am, 1, 2, 3. So let's go box, 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 since I don't have anything down here. Box, box. Actually, we're gonna do my norm. Let's do the norm. Yeah, she's starting to whine now because she knows what time it is. She's actually doing a lot better. I had mentioned on one of my last videos for my dashboard layout for last week, I mentioned that I was going to end up probably having to tell her dad that I can't keep her because I can't get anything done. Well, today she has done so much better. Today, like I said, is Monday, and she has done so much better. It's unbelievable how much better she's done. So fingers crossed that she stays behaved. All right, let's take this put it like right down the center here. Yeah, because I don't mind keeping her if I just can't deal with all that whining. So she's done a lot better today. So we'll see. We'll see. This week will be the test run. This will be the 3rd week that I've kept her. So we'll see how she does. Maddie, you gotta hush. All right, so there's that. And then let's take, I think I'm gonna take, do I want a quote? I don't even know if I'm gonna do a quote. I think I'm gonna take like this box and this box. I think we're just gonna do a couple boxes down here. I don't want that one there. Let's put it down here. I might do a long blue box up here. And I think I'm going to white out importance. Oops. Uh-oh, it's stuck. All right, so now let's take and put something down here. This is crooked. I need somewhere to put this. I think I'm just gonna stick it right here. Actually, I'm gonna trim off this greenery. And then stick the blue floral right here. Okay, that's cute. And then we'll take this little bit of greenery and just put it down here. Whoopsie. I just messed that up. I'm gonna trim that off. I kind of folded it over right there so it's not sticky. So just trim it off and make it disappear. All right, and now I want a little something to go up here. So maybe this. This spread's really pretty. It's turning out really cute. I like these colors. How did I want to do that? Kind of like this. Okay. And then I think I'm going to take, no, I think I might just leave it alone. Look how pretty it turned out, you guys. I don't even think I'm going to put any quotes or anything. I think that sticker's crooked, so forgive me if it is. But I think I'm going to call this spread done. I think it turned out super cute. Very simple, very easy to make. Did not take forever. So yeah, I think I'm going to be done with this one. So let's put it back in my planner and see what it looks like. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Follow me over on Instagram. And so yeah, this is the last video I'm filming for today. So I will see you guys on the next one whenever that one comes. Don't forget to head over to my website and catch that sale before it ends on the 31st. Save 50% off all stickers in my shop at thepleasantlyplanned.com. So that's it. I love you guys. I thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye, y'all.